Got a little bit of light, trying to find my heart. Funny when I break it, our lights down dark. Honey when I break it, a tight flow spark. When a psycho drop, playing dice, go starter. Who are you? Better know yourself. Know your soul, gotta know your wealth. Slow your roll, get a hold, don't melt. And don't you fall when I feel like hell. Well, who am I? Am I and me? I'm not the one you wanna fuck with. Late nights messing up my sleep, so I'm flustered. Taking out aggression with my pen because I trust it. But I'm trying to get myself a lamb color custom. For the game, leave him hanging by his chain. Click, bang, feeling rage, feeling fire in my brain. Feel insane, and it's story, feel the flame. 45 to my brain, praying more, please help. No glory.
Hello everybody, can you guys hear me?
Remember, I used to be that kid that every day would get rejected. That got my story, the glory was painted on the song. I'm mortified but feel immortal. It's pen to this paper, always open up different portals. It's I and me, it's me and I'm by myself. I'm down a ride, I'm taking on the tide. Size of tsunamis touching the sky. I got a quick scan, it's time to move. Leaving everything else behind, I got something to prove. I'm just riding away, no I ain't running away. I got memories said, oh, I'm just finding my place where I belong to. Feeling glory in my soul. Hey, I'm running away, I'm finding my place. Yeah, gotta escape, that's what I gotta do. See you on the other side, see you on the other side, see you on the other side. Yeah, no.
No glory.
Hello Mr. Saw, can you hear me?
Been in that trailer. First off, shout out to
Is there any background music? Oh, okay, that's good, that's good.
Just put it that one. Shout out to him. You can have the world record for the biggest.
What's up, everybody? Smash up the like buttons, guys.
Look at the description. There's a lot of things. I wish I had a fucking, even a little trick. because I just started my Twitter like a month ago. I'm not a. I refuse to do the whole Twitter thing. I hated the Twitter thing.
Hi, Luke. Yeah, I'm holding to you like $2,500. Maybe take some profit then. $1,000. You guys hear me? Okay. And lower down the music. How about now? Can you guys hear me now? Is the music softer? Alright. Thank you.
Go to the website.
What do you guys think of my stream comparing to Crypto Face? I'm gonna switch to the trading view chart.
I'm a true champion. I'm a true champion.
Hello.
Coming in. So you guys probably know, if you're watching this channel already for a longer period of time, that we like to use and then we like to up our stop loss here, because then we are trading with zero risk here, and then we can maybe write this to new all-time high. So it would be absolutely insane if we're going to reach this target, of course. And guys, I cannot wait to enter this trade here and flip this trade into the greens here. And of course, if we're going to hit our stop loss, I mean, I'm not scared, because we're probably, let's say we're going to risk a 1.5% for a reward of 10%. And if you do this 3 times or 4 times at the end of the day, maybe 1 or 2 times you lose. And if you only win 1 time and you lose 3 times, you're still making profits here. So only taking safe trades here. And can't wait till we're going to take it, of course. And yeah, I mean, these increases of price can be very, very nice here. And guys, we're doing this every time. We're trying to do this live, but if we cannot be live, we're doing this in the Discord server. And that's also another reason to join the Discord server right now. And guys, yeah, I mean, I like this. I like this trading. I like to enjoy. I mean, I like to open live trades with you guys and build a strong community, and also share my trades, share my insights on the market, because yeah, probably helping you guys out as well. Probably helping you guys out as well here. Do you think Cardano will pop up in the next few years? Of course it will. Most likely it will. Let me see the market cap. Cardano right now sitting at P5 here. 68 cents here. Probably going to head towards the $1 anytime soon, of course. Yeah, right now seeing a minor growth period. Yeah, but Bitcoin is right now outperforming all the altcoins here, increasing in Bitcoin dominance. And let's look at the Bitcoin dominance for a second, because this is also very important, of course. And guys, you want to know, we're already looking at the Bitcoin dominance for a long period of time. And once again, we did create a lot of wicks here on the top side of this yellow line of resistance. So let's see if we're going to create another wick here. But I do think if Bitcoin is going to reach their price target, probably going to reach this white line of resistance once again, and probably we'll see a rejection then. So yeah, let's see how this will react here to the altcoins. Let's see how it will go here for the altcoins. But yeah, I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward already. And yeah, of course, we're probably also going to trade a lot of altcoins, and we will trade these altcoins also on Femex, because we're going to do our trading competition here, or trading challenge. I mean, not competition. It's our trading challenge from 5k to 100k here on Femex. Soon they're going to launch some new altcoins as well. They're going to launch Doge. They're going to launch the GRT. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trade this all on Femex. And if you want to join it, you can sign up with my referral link also here. So yeah, also you guys really requested it, that you want me to, that you guys really want to see some live trades, and that you really want to see me using the platform, and that's also why we are doing it right now. And the volume is also very insane here on Femex, guys. Volume is very insane. So Femex is also right now growing very quickly, and it's also very reliable. So maybe I'm switching over to Femex still, but yeah, you can also use Bybit if you more prefer Bybit to trade this. You can also still use my Bybit referral link in the description. It really depends on your own strategy here, of course. But yeah, right now I'm still using Femex here. Still using Femex. And yeah, look at the Bitcoin dominance. Let's see if we're going to create this wick still on the daily time frame. Will be nice. Can probably push the altcoins a little bit higher here, because we're going to see correction. The Bitcoin dominance. And yeah, Bitcoin's still growing here. Still candles red here, to be honest. So yeah, do want to see this drop off still coming in here. And probably will wait, and we will probably reach a price target anytime soon here. And the longer we're consolidating at these levels, is probably as better it is, because then we are seeing this retracement, and I do think it will only give more fuel to the charts here the longer we consolidate at these levels. And if we're going to have a retest by then, probably give only more and more fuel here. So still have to wait for the retest here, and can't wait to literally open this trade, guys. Cannot wait at all. Can't wait. And probably you guys cannot wait as well, because we are all loving to make some insane gains here in the market, of course. We're all loving it. And let's see at the channel. Oh, we got a super chat here from Thomas. Nog what here? Oh no, it's from Thomas. Donated £3 here, and you are saying, appreciate these live streams. Thank you, mate. And I mean, thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for donating here. And I mean, I'm appreciating it so much here that you guys are showing some love here. So thank you for your donation, Thomas. And let's look at the channel. We are about to hit only 10 subscribers away from the 13k, guys. It would be very nice if we're going to reach the 30k right now. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would be absolutely amazing, of course. That will be absolutely insane. Let's look at BNB. And yeah, let's look after BNB if we just crush through the 13k subscribers. That would be very cool here. So BNB doing a very good job here, to be honest. If you look to the chart. I mean, we told you already, looking at BNB, guys, we're seeing this downward sloping resistance getting formed here. And right now we are breaking out of this downward sloping resistance, as you can see, with a lot of follow through. So BNB looking stronger and also increasing in price. Let me see, approximately 6% in the last 6 hours. So that's very nice there. And I mean, yeah, it's increasing very nice here, and finally breaking this downward sloping resistance line. So probably going to continue the momentum here for BNB. And also getting a donation from Terfarsi, donated €6.90 here. So thank you for your donation. And you're saying thoughts on Uniswap. If you recently checked it out, Synthetic and Curve, they seem to follow Unichart. Greetings from Finland. So thank you first of all for your donations. And you have to know, I like Uniswap, and is Synthetic really following this? So I will get this chart like this, and we'll show Synthetic here real quickly on the side. So both looking at the daily time frame. Oh wait, I will both look at the daily time frame to see the significance. Yeah, of course, you can maybe say it is literally following here. Yes, it's showing a lot of significance, to be honest. Yeah, you can see it's following each other and looking like the same market structure, but it's also because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also, and Ethereum is showing the same market structure here. But I will give you my thoughts here on Uniswap real quickly, and we'll switch this back to 1 here.
to give you guys a better view of the market. And my thoughts on Uniswap, very, very bullish, of course, first of all. I'm getting a phone call. Give me 1 second. I have to take this. Yeah, totally. We do like 54. We do like 54K. Hell. Hell. Internet, nobody software bullshit. Give it away for free. Anyway, I'm back again. I'm sorry, I was just a little bit distracted, just different phone call. So I'm sorry, but yeah, giving my thoughts on Uniswap once again here. Let me see at Uniswap because Uniswap, of course, I like Uniswap a lot here, and also, by the way, I will show you 1inch. I mean, thoughts on Uniswap are very good here. You have to understand, I love Uniswap here, but I do think Uniswap is already pretty high here, and I'm already looking into 1inch, to be honest. If you really want to make some insane gains, I think, of course, Uniswap will do a good job here. But yeah, like I told you already, 1inch, once again, having this touch here about this line, 1inch, once again, having this touch of this Fibonacci level, once again, giving you a very good buying opportunity. But I mean, 1inch is basically the new Uniswap here, and it's basically almost handling the same amount of volume as Uniswap. Is only the market cap of 1inch is way lower. As you can see, Uniswap already sitting around P15 and sitting around a market cap of 6 billion. And don't get me wrong, Uniswap will increase in price. I know for sure. Of course, no financial advice here, but I know for sure that Uniswap will increase in price here. But I do think that 1inch has more potential to make you some insane more gains here. But yeah, my thoughts on Uniswap, to give you my thoughts on Uniswap real quickly here. Of course, it will go up here, and also forming what I'm doing here. Let me see, and also forming this this horizontal line of support here was very good. And let me draw this box here for you real quickly here. And sorry being for AFK for a second, guys. Sorry for being AFK. I had to take the phone call. I had to take the phone call real quickly here. So I mean, yeah, you are getting supported by the support box, was very, very good here, of course. And yeah, let's see if we're going to have another touch because this will give you another good buying opportunity. And you are setting a higher high here every time. And in my opinion, this is looking very strong here. So we will have to wait and see how this will end here for Uniswap here. But I'm feeling very bullish on Uniswap. But I do think if you want to make more gains and if you really want to step in these swap exchanges, I do think 1 inch will be better in my opinion. For the gains at least. And let's see, we just smashed through 13k subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to the to the challenge, guys. You're absolute legends, and also almost having 1100 live likes here, guys. Thank you so much here, and yeah, reaching these 13k subscribers, guys. That's absolutely insane. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. I don't know what to say, and also getting a donation right now, €2 from Xux. I don't know how I can pronounce your name, of course, but can you please check OM same retest breakout as BTC? My friend, I will right away look at it. And oh my man, this coin is going absolutely parabolic here. This coin is absolutely going parabolic here. So we'll have to look into this coin. But yeah, you are saying have seen the same retest here of Bitcoin, and I mean. Really, if you really want to enter here on the retest, I mean, oh, maybe it already had this retest here because it broke to the upside here for only having this retest of this line. And maybe, yeah, if you really want to step in here, maybe you have to wait a little bit longer here because it's right now pretty scary if you want to step into a trade right now. And I'll seeing a donation here from Robin. We'll react to your donation in a second here. But yeah, looking at this chart, looking very strong in my opinion, sitting around 31 cents here. I don't know the fundamentals of this coin, and let me see what this coin has, the market cap of this coin is. Montevideo sitting around 82 million, so probably has some good fundamentals. Otherwise, it is not increasing so quick here to the upside. So yeah, you want to look at the fundamentals first before really stepping into this coin. But yeah, of course, if you look to the to the technicals here, probably going to see a retest anytime soon, and it will be very good, very nice, giving you also a very good buying opportunity. And yeah, you can see already 4 hourly candle touching this line here. Well, it's very good, but if you are getting another touch here, would give you a very good buying opportunity once again. So yeah, my structure is good here, and setting new automize for this coin is very good. And oh no, it's not the automi here. It's not the automi. Excuse me. And this is the all-time low here, so we'll draw this very significant. So maybe we can see if the Fibonacci is telling us. Oh, the Fibonacci is telling us that we are breaking through this critical 0.382 level. So already looking very bullish in my opinion. If you look to this chart, if you look to the Fibonacci chart, yeah, 29 cents is really the place to buy here in my opinion. Probably going to find even more support. So yeah, with these support lines coming together here, I do think that it's ready to see another blast of move. So thank you for your donation. And right away, we'll look into Robin, €5. So thank you for your donation, Robin. And you're saying, hi, loving the stream, daily viewer. Can you please give your advice on ADA, Link, and Nano? Let me see. So yeah, of course, right away, we'll look into your request here. Right away, we'll look at your request, and also getting another donation from Deb Stream. So always, also I will look in your donation as well. So give me 1 second. I will discuss every single donation here. So Robin, right away we'll look into ADA here. Be careful with ADA in my opinion. ADA is right now not doing all too much here, but yeah, this chart I find very, very important because ADA compared to Ethereum, right now seeing this massive run up and massive dump here once again. So that is making me feel pretty skeptical if you look to the ADA to the Cardano chart. So probably going to see some kind of a similar move here for Cardano compared to Ethereum, and you can see topped out once again at these levels. And yeah, only if we're going to break this white line, I will be flipping bullish once again. But right now, we couldn't break through this white line, just like we did in the past here. And of course, if we're going to break... I might throw sauerkraut. Want to see some more daily candle closes above this line before flipping very bullish once again. But yeah, do want to see the massive. I do think that the drop off is very likely. So, in my opinion, you should stay away from Cardano right now pretty high, and you don't want to buy in the highs. You only want to buy in the lows, like you could have done here. And the most amount of time, you had more opportunities to buy the low than buy the high. But yeah, you guys, this is my quick opinion about ADA, and also my opinion about Link. I mean, I'm feeling very bullish about Link because, yeah, of course, as you already know, I'm in a trade right now. You can see it on the top right of the screen. Immediate short term, looking very strong. Breaking this previous resistance line. Right now, flipping it once again into support, so that's very nice. Breaking two resistance line here. You can see breaking this resistance line and breaking this resistance line. So looking very good in the immediate short term. Chainlink, also Chainlink compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin, forming very nice shapes. Chainlink compared to Ethereum, forming this W pattern, but is looking very strong here in my opinion. So Chainlink is also looking very, very strong. And Nano, everyone seems to love Nano here. And guys, you have to know, I already discussed Nano for quite a while here today. I already discussed it 3 times here. So Nano also forming this uptrend here, forming this upward sloping support line, and also this resistance line on the top side of 0. I mean, the 1.618 level of the Fibonacci line, having multiple touches here on the top side, what was acting as resistance, and the lower side of the Fibonacci was acting as support. So, in my opinion, Nano is looking very strong here. Market structure is very nice, setting higher lows and creating higher highs. So, of course, right now in the immediate short term, creating a lower high, but basically the market structure is to the upside here. So, looking very strong and maybe forming some kind of pattern, going to break out anytime soon here. So, we will have to wait and see how this will end here on a 4-hourly time frame, and we will keep an eye out for you, my friend, on Nano. And yeah, like you're saying, you are a daily viewer, so of course I will look in your request. I will look into Nano some more often for you, my friend. And also getting a donation from Tipstream, so I will right away look into it. And this was from Undefined. Thank you for your donation, $5 on Doge. So right away we'll get the chart in front of me. Right away, we'll get the chart in front of me, and you're saying, what are your thoughts on Doge? Elon asking the whales to sell a certain margin. What do you think what will happen here? Great content, to be honest. And I mean, in the end of the day, I think Elon was just pumping this to wreck these short sellers, and I don't think that he really is liking this because the point here is Elon is hating these short sellers, and that is what he also is showing with Bitcoin. He's trying to liquidate the shorts because once he is saying something about Bitcoin, all these short orders are getting liquidated, and we are getting a long squeeze here, a short squeeze here, and that is also why the price is pushing higher and higher. So in my opinion, you should stay away from Doge. Of course, it can pump very, very significantly once again to the upside, but I mean, it is very, very risky to buy Doge. And there are a lot of retailers that are buying into Doge, but they are just so new to the market, but they are seeing this price increase so quickly here because you saw this increase over here, approximately an increase of 1,000% in just a matter of 1 day. So, getting another donation here. So I will look at your donation as well here, Eric. So, yeah, Undefined. I think you should stay away from you should stay away from Doge. And I see the donation of Eric, and I will go in your donation in a second here. But Eric, I mean, what do you think is going to happen? I think, of course, right now meeting support and meeting resistance at the same time, so going to see a move either direction anytime soon here. But yeah, I have to wait. And who called? Yeah, it was my my mentor from my school, man. So yeah, I had to take that one. I was completely in a different flow. So yeah, it was it was not my mom. It was not my mom. And yeah, my girlfriend won't call me. My girlfriend won't call me while streaming. I told her already. So yeah, yeah, I do think that this is risky to stay in Doge here. I do think it's very risky to stay in Doge. And Eric, thank you for your donation, of course. You are a very funny man. You're a very funny man. So yeah. I think we're getting another donation right now, once again. So we'll have to load, of course. And yeah, but I do think that you have to stay away from Doge, in my opinion. But of course, if you want to buy Doge, I won't be the one that holds you back here. Always trade and buy at your own risk. But I mean, if you look to coin market cap, guys, you have to know this. Doge is extremely overvalued, in my opinion. Doge is extremely overvalued. Let me see. Doge is right now sitting around P13, and I mean, P13 is way too high for Doge. Way too high, and I think it belongs somewhere in between P50 to P60 or so. I mean, P13 is way too high for Doge. And of course, Cosmos and Ave will also overtake easy Doge here in the coming days, and yeah, I just don't like it. Please, your view on Polka Starter, please. And I mean, if you're watching the channel for already a long period of time, you know that I'm loving Polka Starter, and you know that I love the fundamentals here, and also their site. You can just you can these new tokens can launch their token here on PokerStarter, and that is a very interesting thing because this is so clear. The site is so good. The fundamentals are so good, and it's so clear for the retailers. It's just user friendly, etc. And I mean, chart also doing very, very goodly, and I'm also exposed to Doge to PokerStarter already for a long period of time. So already making insane gains. And guys, I already were talking about PokerStarter since approximately the 26th of January or so, 25th of January, and then it was only sitting around $1.10 here, and right now sitting, of course, at $6.50. So yeah, first of all, thank you for your €4, your Australian dollars. Thank you for the donation. But yeah, looking at this chart, I mean, it's looking very, very strong here, and I'm the one that is just holding this to new all-time highs because, of course, right now it's re-entering the top 100, I think, if I say it correctly, or it is about to re-enter the top 100. And guys, we were watching to this coin once it was sitting around 400, P400, right now sitting at P105. So I think this coin has even more potential here. Also, on the Polkadot ecosystem, and once the Polkadot is going to launch their own blockchain, this coin will increase even more, in my opinion. And wouldn't be surprised. I mean, $60 to $80 is a very conservative target here for the coming bull run for PolkaStarter. And of course, as you already know, I'm making some insane gains for PolkaStarter, and I'm loving these gains, guys. So I do think if you want to buy right now, you're still early. Of course, you could have bought at lower levels here if you look at the PolkaStarter chart, but I think if you want to buy right now, you're still pretty early. If you're at least holding for the coming 6 to 8 months, you will be profitable. I know for sure. I know for sure that you will be profitable. So yeah, looking forward already. And guys, having 1,100 likes, guys, you are absolutely insane. You are insane with smashing up these likes, and I'm enjoying it. To share my thoughts on the market with you guys. So yeah, if you want to help me out even more, make sure to smash up the likes to 1.2K. That would be absolutely amazing, of course. And what would be even more amazing is if we are going to get this live trade in here. And guys, you know that we would love to get this live trade in, of course. We would certainly love to. So let me see. Yeah, we got some requests here coming in. Come on, Wick. Yeah, please. Yeah, guys, of course. Not rush. Oh, we just opened a new 1 hourly candle. And guys, you have to know, 4 hourly candle going to close in 1 hour, and we're going to witness this live together. So that's absolutely insane. Already looking forward to this. Someone is saying, how can you deposit USD on this on Famex here? I think you have to buy. You can deposit USDT, but you have to send it from a different exchange. And the USD, USDT, USD Tether is pretty low fees here. So yeah, if you really want to deposit your dollars here, I should recommend using USDT. Yeah, if you want to deposit Bitcoin, it's already paying $20, if I say it correctly, in transfer fees. So that's already pretty high. It depends, of course, how much you are going to drop here. But otherwise, you can just drop your Bitcoin here on Famex. Famex is so... I'm not liking Famex right now. They're giving good explanations. So yeah, still looking forward to fill this entry, guys. Still looking to fill this entry. And guys, you know that we will try and open a trade live in the stream here. It would be absolutely insane if we can, of course, open this live trade here. And if you want to support the channel, make sure to use my referral link right now down in the description here, because you will be supporting the channel, and you will also get some bonuses. And that is also the nice thing here with Famex. They're giving even more bonuses than Bybit. And also, if you want to use the Bybit referral link, you can also still do it. So yeah, still on the 1 hourly candle. Okay, the 4 hourly candle going to close to 75 minutes once again. So going to witness this live together, guys, would be amazing. Would be amazing to witness this once again with you guys. And yeah, let's see how far we can go here. Let's see how far we can go. And by the way, in the bottom of the screen, you can also see our socials here. You can see our Instagram if you want to follow it as well. Just starting up, so I haven't posted anything yet. You can see our Twitter in the top, in the bottom left. And the Twitter is incorrect, I see. I'll tell you what, guys, I'm like a giveaway. We'll do another market cipher for the So yeah, if you want to follow us on the socials, and I see that the Twitter is not correctly, but we contacted Twitter if we can maybe change it to Crypto Rover, but right now still at Rover Crypto, here. So yeah, if you want to follow us here on Twitter, you can do so, of course. But yeah, right now seeing this follow through getting created to the downside, what's very nice here because we would like to open a trade, of course, and yeah, let's see if this red candle will continue even further. Let's see if this red candle will continue further. And by the way, everyone is joining the Discord server, so welcome to the Discord server. And let me see if you guys have some questions for me here in the chat. Let me see if you have some questions. Should we short this? No, why? No, you're shorting on zero technicals and not looking to short Bitcoin at all in a bull market. 5k to 100k challenge. What's the limit buy and the quantity of BTC? The quantity is 30k. Entry order. You can find it, by the way, all in the Discord. You can find it all on the Discord server. It's the trading challenge sector, and there we had give you an update. 30,000 contracts. It's a 10x, 50k, and $685 is our entry target for the limit order. So yeah. If you want to see more details, you can really look in the Discord server right now. So It's Been God also donated $5 Australian, and you are saying, "Hey mate, can you please go through how to set up your trade in Femex?" I've got the USDT in there, but can't see how to get where you are. Okay, right now I'm using I deposit BTC, so I will use a different chart. But you are using USDT. So first of all, you go to spot because if you would USDT, you're spot trading. So you go in the top left here. You go to the same homepage. Just go to the homepage of Femex. And once you're on the homepage, you're seeing spot, and then you see BTC against USD Tether, and then you press on this BTC slash USD Tether, then you press on that, and then here you see your USDT amount. So your USD Tether amount is here on Bitcoin, and here is basically what you want to do here, because you are saying that you are deposit USDT, and I'm using the Bitcoin comparison. So yeah, if you deposit USDT, you go to limit, you set the limit price order. And on USDT, the entry price will probably be a little bit different here. But I mean, then you set, I will clear this chart. I don't know what it's doing. So then you set here on the top left of the screen, your limit order. And you can go in the Discord once again, and you can see, okay, the entry price is sitting at 50k, $685. And then you select your quantity, and of course, we are using right now $3,000. So because we are trading with Tether, if you want to do the exact same here, you press 3,000, and then you limit, and then you select buy Bitcoin, and then it will enter the price here around at the exact moments of once we're hitting the 50.6k here. That is hopefully it's working right now for you, my friend. Hopefully it's working for you, because you are using USD Tether. It's a little bit different here, because I'm using contract tradings so that's different right now that we are having difference. So let's see if we're going to flip this next 1 hourly candle once again red here and get this entry in, because we would like to get this entry in, of course. Where do I buy PokerStarter? You can buy it on Uniswap or UOB. You can buy it on UOB as well. And if you want to know it, you can here go to markets. Here you can see UOB. You can buy it on UOB, and you can buy it on Uniswap. Only Uniswap is giving you a lot of fees. Also 1 inch, you can buy it over there as well. Guys, thank you still for the 13k subscribers. You are absolutely legends, of course. You are legends. Yeah, heading towards 30.1k already. So looking forward to see this journey to you guys, with you guys. What's the difference with contract and spot trading? Let me go to Femixer real quickly. So first of all, you go to Femix and you can select spot and the contract trading, but there are differences. Spot is basically, first of all, the spot trading is against the USDT. You can see all the spot trading is against USDT. And if you're trading contracts, you are trading against Bitcoin. So if you deposit Ethereum, you can only trade with Ethereum. If you deposit Bitcoin, you can only trade with Bitcoin. You have to deposit Litecoin if you want to trade with Litecoin. And the difference is basically with the prices. The prices are a little bit different also, because contracts are a little bit higher. And basically, spot is for immediately buying and selling, and contract trading is for a little bit delayed payments. And so that's also the reason why spot trading is always sitting a little bit lower than the contract tradings, because the spot trading is more updated, the latest price chart. And look at the volume, by the way, 2.2 billion US dollars, 24 hours volume. So the volume of Femex is very, very high in my opinion. Very high volume. So yeah, thank you for still watching here, and please spam in the chat, because otherwise you will get the timeout by my moderators, because JJ is doing a very good job here with holding the chat together. And also, Tree Top Ghost here is absolutely awesome legend. He's also always in the Discord server, and he's always trying to help you guys out here. So also getting a word in from moderators that someone donated from Stream, but his question was not coming up here in the stream. So we'll look at your request here, and we will do some research what your question was. So you can send your question to Treetop Ghost here, because he's right now saying it to me, and maybe Treetop Ghost can then send it to me so I can answer your question here right away. So pretty unfortunate it was not working. So we'll look into it right away, my friend. We'll look into it, and hopefully you're still watching here, so so we can still discuss your thing. Let's see if we can still discuss your thing here. When to open a long position of Ethereum? I mean, Ethereum is just a little bit Ethereum is just a little bit lagging behind right now, but I'm still fixing his question here. Let me see what your question is from the recent donator. Let me see. Because I cannot see it right now. I cannot see it right now. So yeah, still having 1,750 live viewers in here, guys. Thank you for all still tuning in here. Let me see. I cannot find your question here, and I do think if I read it correctly, it was from Kevin, a request. So let me see if we can still get your question in here. So it's pretty unfortunate, of course, that check the Tipstream link, please. It should be working, by the way, Tipstream. Don't know what it's doing right now. What is the funding rate? Never can get that. Right now. So, okay. I should be reacting to your question real soon here, but yeah, right now Ethereum is just lagging behind Bitcoin, in my opinion. Here, it's going lower and lower, and it's just not holding up here. Of course, it's right now oversold, so probably looking for a bounce anytime soon here. And we have to... what's the open link trade about? This is my long procedure for link here right now. So, let me see. Litecoin is going up here. Yeah, probably everything is going up here. Link is breaking the resistance. Yeah, Link is doing a pretty okay job, almost heading towards $32 once again. So Chainlink is doing a very good good job right now. So yeah, it would be very nice if if you bought, of course, at this dip, or if you longed it. So yeah, let's see how Ling will do here, and also the trade's still open here. So right now, sitting around 500%, so that's absolutely insane, of course. Do you think Bitcoin will ever dump towards these levels around 10k to 25k? I mean, no. I don't see it happen ever again here. Especially, I don't think that we're going to go below the 20k ever again here. Never that we are going to do that. I don't think that we're going to do it. It's not really likely, to be honest. Okay, so I have the question here from Kevin, and he's saying, I asked about MOD. It's a new Oracle aggregator, and I'm eyeing it. I am right now eyeing it. It would be nice to have some opportunities here. Your question, Kevin, from the donator, what didn't work here for a tip stream was basically, can you have a quick look at MOD here? Modify, I think. Yeah, it's Modify. If you say correctly, it's Modify. And let me know if you're still in the chat here, because maybe if I can find you in the chat, it would be also very nice. Modify. Which coin is it? Modify. Cannot find it here, so maybe you have to look at CoinGecko here. Maybe you have to look at CoinGecko here. Let me see. Modify. Man, it's over here. So, pretty new coin here. Sitting around P730, and it is not right now on CoinMarketCap. Was pretty unfortunate, of course, but you can buy it with MetaMask, as I can see, built on the Ethereum network, of course. And I cannot give you my research here, of course. I cannot do all my research, and you can only buy it on Uniswap right now. So that's pretty unfortunate. You can only buy it on one exchange here. You can only buy it on one exchange here. So we will have to look here. And let's see what it will do here. And oh my man, I don't have a lot of information, so it's really hard to give my thoughts here about this coin. I cannot really give you my thoughts because we are basically seeing zero information about this coin. And without any information, it's very hard to do my research and do my technical analysis on it. And of course, maybe I'm not seeing your question all too well here. Let me see. You think that it has some good opportunities here? You think that it has some good opportunities, but I cannot really give you my thoughts here because basically having zero data here on this chart, and also only I can give you my fundamental research that I have to do, but I cannot do my fundamental research right now because otherwise I would be doing the fundamental research the whole stream here. So my man, thank you still for your donation, Kevin here, and we'll look into maybe a different request that you have for me. Maybe you have a different request for me. So let me see what you're saying. I don't really can find you right now in the chat here, so maybe I'm not looking all too good here. But I don't really like this coin because we don't have a lot of information here. But probably the fundamentals are pretty good. Otherwise, you are not requesting it. So I'm looking to Bitcoin once again, guys. Setting a new high here. This new 1 hourly candle flipping green. So of course the volume is still very low here, so we can still reverse any direction here. Oh, here, Dennis, you're saying Modify is a project released on the TwistSwaps launchpad. I think, Dennis, that that's a very interesting one. So we will have to wait and look here. We will have to wait and look. And the thing is, I don't really like that it's only on right now on Uniswap. But of course, because it's only on Uniswap, you're still very early. So if it is really having good fundamentals, and if it's just really having some good things for the long run, you can really buy it right now and maybe hold it for the long run. If you are thinking that's if it is a very good buy here, you can buy it right now still. So I don't know what I'm saying right now. So still waiting for this entry. Still waiting for this entry. Oh, whoops. So can't wait for this entry here. So we'll have to wait and look here at the Bitcoin chart if it's finally going to reverse anytime soon here. Because if it isn't right now reversing, maybe it's going to break out to the top side of the target here. And of course, we then miss the trade, but we are not rushing into any trades here. but you're not rushing into any single trades here on the channel. Don't worry, just hold for 2 weeks. Yeah, I mean, if you're just freaking out here because you just recently bought any kind of altcoin here, you bought it this up, and right now, and also this G5 project, I mean, it hit the stop loss. I'm very good at it. Hit it. But, I mean, just like Euro Finance here, DeFi, I mean, if you bought at the top right now, seeing still a decrease of price, approximately 20%, and don't be scared. Don't be scared, because I think for the long run it will be very, very good. So getting another donation here from Adrian. You're donating €2 here, and you're saying next time, and I will right away look into next one, my friend. So let's look at 4-hour time frame. It's going also creating a stealth uptrend here to the upside. Very new here to the market, 20th September. So we'll identify the swing high to swing low to maybe see some Fibonacci levels that we can use here to maybe spot some support and resistance here. So yeah, as you can see here, this was looking pretty strong here, to be honest. If you look at the Fibonacci chart, creating a lot of wicks, couldn't break through this level. In the end of the day, you got the rejection here because we couldn't break through. And then you saw the rejection was too greedy. Didn't clearly touch the Fibonacci level, but you bounced to the upside here, and then you broke through this level. After that, there was some minor indecision, some consolidation here, of course. Consolidation is very good for these coins, and still creating on the 4-hourly bearish divergence, and also probably on the one day, yeah, on the 1 day here, on the daily time frame, creating a big bearish divergence right now. So you can see the increase of price, my friend. You can see a significant increase of price, but you can also see the decrease in the RSI index. So basically, creating a higher high in the price chart and creating lower highs here in the RSI chart. So basically, it's showing that we are having some massive bearish divergences right now. And you should be very careful with these bearish divergences because it can reverse the price pretty significantly, especially on the daily. And it's not only on the daily; it's also on the 4-hourly, probably also on the 1-hourly, yeah, and also on the 1-hourly. So I mean, you should be careful right now. A lot of bearish divergence on this coin. That's the first thing that I right away spot here. So that's not looking all too good here, to be honest. And maybe if I draw this a little bit different here, so maybe we're forming some kind of a parallel channel here, and that we are getting supported, that we just got supported here, and also finding resistance at the stop side, because as you can see here, finding resistance, support. So yeah, let's see how this will go here for Nexus, I mean, and also trading against resistance of the Fibonacci level right now. So looking forward how this will end here, of course, but I mean, you should be careful right now because these bearish divergence can maybe push the price a little bit lower here. And I mean, yeah, these bearish divergences on every single time frame and also on the bigger time frames are making me a little bit worried right now. And also this, yeah, of course, you're having this big run up and you haven't seen a significant correction yet. And I mean, always once you're having a significant run up, you are going to see a decrease or at least a correction anytime soon here before it will go continue its parabolic run to the upside. So in my opinion, you should be careful if you're willing to step in right now. But I don't know the fundamentals. Maybe the fundamentals are very good and that can be your reason to step into this this market right away here. So yeah, you will have to do your own research here, my friend. I cannot give you my my fundamental research on it. So yeah, still looking for the trade here, Bitcoin. Still looking for the trade. So guys, if you're still enjoying the video, if you're still enjoying the live stream, make sure to smash up the likes. Right now having 1,100 likes and only 38 likes away from the 1.2K here. That would be absolutely amazing if you're smashing that like button right now, right away now. That would be amazing. That would be amazing, of course. Let me see what you guys have for me. I just went into your Femex link. I want to start trading. Do you have suggestions for a crypto wallet? I mean, you can find my suggested crypto wallets also in the description right away. You can find it right away. Right away in the description, you can see my favorite. You can see my favorite coins here. Sorry, my favorite exchanges here. Also my favorite leverage trading exchanges. So yeah. looking forward, if you want to use my referral link for that as well, I use Binance, Coinbase, and Libit. These are my most favorite exchanges. So if you want to help me out as well, you can use my referral link. And also, it is looking like that YouTube is holding us back once again here. So that's pretty annoying. I mean, I cannot even find myself again on YouTube here. You just search for Crypto Rover here. YouTube is always doing this. It's so annoying. If you search for Crypto Rover, you cannot even find the live stream here. I don't know why. I don't know why they're doing that. You cannot even find the live stream. YouTube is holding us back. They're not willing us to grow here. I mean, if you search for live, even you cannot find it, and only you can find it if you go to the page here and then you see the live stream here. So very, very annoying that YouTube is holding us back here. So guys, if you want to help us, if you want to get rid of the shadow ban, I do think that we have to smash up the likes here. But I mean, we cannot find ourselves even. We sometimes have this, and I mean, YouTube is screwing us over here, so that's pretty annoying. Once again, they're doing it. But of course, we will just continue the stream for you guys. And just private stream. So see it as a private stream right now. So yeah, if you want to help me, please smash up the like buttons, because the YouTube algorithm will push us more if we are having more likes on the video. So that would be absolutely amazing if you're right now smashing up the likes. You will be supporting me so well here to push the content further and further. Yeah, please. Oh, and we got another donation from Tipstream right now. So let me see, it's right now coming in here. And it's from Crypto Pete. Thank you for your €5 donation here. Greetings from Switzerland. How is Polkadot doing? Right away, we'll look into it, my friend. And thank you for donating here. And welcome from Sweden. And you are right now wondering, what is Polkadot doing? And Polkadot is absolutely looking very, very strong here, in my opinion. Already discussed this earlier today. But yeah, if you look to this chart, man, oh man, if you look to this chart, you can first see that we are right now breaking through this Fibonacci level, where we first here, we already were finding support earlier, resistance earlier. So we created wicks on the top side, we went lower, and in the end of the day, we tried and have another retest. At this lower level, we couldn't hold, we went lower. We touched this white line of support. Also touched the previous lower Fibonacci level. In the end of the day, we went higher, we went higher, then had another retest of this Fibonacci level. And once we were having this retest, this final retest, we finally saw the blast off coming in for Polkadot. And you can see Polkadot was moving to the upside here, and then we were finding resistance once again. We created 4 touches, 4 wicks on the top side here for the Polkadot price chart. And once we were finally breaking through here, we saw this massive green candle here. Also with Bitcoin, this massive green candle, and Polkadot was just following a little bit here. And you can see, after that, we were retesting this Fibonacci level as support. So, in my opinion, if you look at the 4-hourly time frame, Polkadot is looking extremely bullish here. Extremely bullish here, in my opinion. Polkadot is looking very strong here. So yeah, still looking for creating some higher highs. And the next Fibonacci resistance level will be around the 32.35 cents here for Polkadot. And I do think it's very likely that we're going to reach this target. So of course we will have to wait and see how it will go here. And probably we're going to retest this line and go. And I see that we are getting another donation in here, so I will look at into your donation as well here. And I mean, very likely that we're going to go higher from here on towards $32 here. And yeah, finding support at this level is so critical, and it is looking like that we're still holding it. And if Bitcoin is going to continue to move higher from here on, I do think it's also very likely that Polkadot is doing the same here. So, getting another donation here, and right now we are getting a donation from Zeno, and Zeno donated €6, and you are saying, hi, what is a good entry for Reef? Wait for the W formation on the 4-hourly to close green, or breakout of the triangle. So Zeno, I don't know how I can pronounce your name, but I will right away look into Reef, my friend. I will give you my thoughts here on Reef. And I already discussed Reef a moment ago here, and I mean, of course, you can maybe say that we are forming some kind of a triangle right now, and that we are forming this downward slope resistance line. Of course, you can see multiple touches on the 4-hourly, and this is of course not all too good here for Reef, in my opinion. You are creating this downward slope resistance line, but once we are going to break it, it will probably give Reef more follow through here. And once we are creating more follow through here for Reef, of course that would be very, very nice here. So yeah, looking forward to see Reef breaking out to the upside here, and also breaking above this Fibonacci line once again, what is very crucial, is looking very good. And also this upper sloping support line right now, of course, we're big to the downside here, but right now acting as support. And you can say this is a W, but I mean, I don't like W's when the second bottom is lower than the previous bottom, so that's not really a significant W in my opinion. So I'm not liking to see this at all. I'm not liking this at all. So yeah, if I look to the chart, maybe at the lower time frames, if you look to the 30-minute, you can say, yeah, we are right now in the 30-minute forming this W shape. And yeah, right now breaking on the top side, and right now having this retest of this W formation. So if you really look to the lower time frame, maybe on the 30 minutes, we're right now reversing here. So yeah, we will have to wait and see how this will go here, of course. And love Sweden here as well. Yeah, Sweden is a very nice country. So I mean, Reef looking strong here, and yeah, I do want to break this downward sloping resistance line before flipping absolutely bullish once again on this coin. And yeah, I mean, what's your real question here? What is a good entry? Yeah, I mean, a good entry, of course. It depends. Do you want to trade it or do you want to hold it? If you want to hold it, I mean, why not buy right now? You're already having a massive sell-off from the top side, so you're getting already a very, very good bonus of approximately 27%. So you're getting a cheap buy here for Reef. And yeah, if you look to this chart, yeah, I do want to break this downward sloping resistance line. Maybe want to close 4 hourly above it before already opening a trade here, because we can still get rejection and push us even lower here. So yeah, we will have to wait and see. But if we're going to break this line and have a retest, it will be a very good buying opportunity. And yeah, once again, the real Night Rider donated €2 here, so thank you for your donation as well here. You guys are absolutely legends. So yeah, loving the stream here. Only unfortunate YouTube is holding us back. So yeah, if you really still want to help our channel, make sure to smash up these likes. Make sure to smash up the likes. And guys, yeah, let's see if we can still push this higher, because yeah, right now we are just getting screwed over here. So it's very annoying that we cannot even find ourselves, only if you go to our page of YouTube. So that's very, very annoying, of course. It's very, very annoying, and you cannot even find the live stream here if you search for Crypto Rover. So very, very unfortunate. So yeah, if you really want to help us, make sure to just smash up the likes there. That will be very, very nice there. And also make sure to join the Discord server. Make sure to join the Discord server here. I can't wait till we're going to open our trade here, of course. And yeah, we will keep you guys updated with our trade here in the live in the Discord server. We will keep you guys updated in the Discord server. And by the way, the real Night Rider, please tag me in the Discord server in general, because I will give you a nice rank there. So please tag me in the Discord server. Please tag me in the Discord server. Couldn't find crypto. Yeah, it's very, very annoying that we cannot find our own channel. So I don't know why this is happening. And also, if I look to the views, it's, in one moment it's suddenly decreased approximately with 80% to the downside. So that's pretty weird. I don't know what it is. It's just man. Yeah, it's just typical YouTube. Yeah, I think typical YouTube. Where is the Discord server? Cannot find the Discord link. It's right up pinned in the live chat here. And you can create hashtags for the trades. I mean, in the Discord server we have this special chat here, and the chat is called Trading Challenge, and there we will give you updates about our trades. If we're going to close our trades, if we're going to enter our trades, if we're going to edit our stop loss, if we're going to edit our take profit, if we're taking some profits, we're going to literally tell you everything here in the Discord server. So yeah, you really want to get towards our Discord server if you really want to, of course. So yeah. Someone is saying, yeah, it's me, my friend. Let me know. Please let me know in the chat, because I don't know if you are really in. So the real Night Rider, say it in the Discord, in the stream right now. Are you the one that just tagged me? So leggings too in the Discord server. Are you that? So please let me know. Please let me know that you are that in the chat, so I can confirm it. And guys, I see you guys all smashing up the likes, just supporting so quickly here. Thank you for all supporting. Just go on Twitch. Yeah, I'm right now thinking of switching over to